It's pretty big. Like, it fills the whole frame of the camera. Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe and welcome to my channel if you're new here. In this video, we are doing another unboxing. We're just gonna dive right in because I'm way too excited. Pepper! I totally forgot that I ordered all of these things. The first one. Woo! Wow. So this is the Sparkling Splendor Deluxe Unicorn Collection. So these are all like very interestingly sparkly, barfy colored unicorns. I am not a unicorn person or a fantasy Breyer person, but I thought it would be fun because it's a lot of the Breyer molds that I haven't customized before. So I wanted to have that opportunity to do so. Fireheart is the main reason I got this. This pink Croy might have to stay in my collection. She's kind of like intense. Ooh, they all have names. Charmer, Cherish, Esteem, Elegant, Trinket, Trifle, Glamour, and Gleam. Good job, Breyer. Good job, Breyer. And I honestly didn't remember that I bought this. So this is the Wild and Free Mustang and Pole. This pole brings back memories. This was one of my first Breyers on this mold, actually. And I really like this bay rearing horse, and actually he's got really nice shading. I'll have to unbox him, but from the look of him, just in the box, he has really stunning shading. And then the last one I got was ATP Power. I am kind of a soft spot for just solid black horses. And then I realized it's Amberly Snyder's horse. And so she's the paralyzed barrel racer. She straps herself all into the saddle, but her horses are taught on vocal commands. And this is the real reason we're all here. I hope we got a good one. It's always nerve-wracking. Smells like a new Breyer. He is so cool. So this is Bolero. He's the Collector Club exclusive for 2023. He's the reason that I joined the club again. This is Raven Maddox's sculpture of Chrysalis Studios. I adore her sculpture to begin with, and I'm not really a glossy collector. I have a handful of gloss models, but the gloss has been growing on me a little bit in specifics, and this particular one I obviously had to have. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all of you that click on my videos and tune in. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy unboxing content.